Hi, my name is Hannah Sampson, and I'm here to talk to you today about genetically modified organisms. With me is our expert, Tori Blaylock. So Tori, could you tell me what is a genetically modified organism?
A modified organism, or transgenic, is an organism with its DNA changed using genetic engineering. People do this for many reasons. One of them is experimental medicine. People are finding ways to modify food so that it can prevent certain diseases. Others include agriculture, scientific research, and creation of proteins to treat diabetes, a source of enzymes to research human diseases, to produce industrial or consumer products, or to produce therapeutic products. Also, to enhance food products, increased crop yields, and reduced costs for food or drug population. They're also used for reducing needs for pesticides, allowing plants to grow in conditions where they might not otherwise flourish, and other greater food securities.
Wow, that's a lot of reasons.
Yeah, I know. A lot of things are genetically modified for a lot of reasons.
There are a lot of positives and negatives to genetic modification. I'm sure my friend Boo here can explain it to us. That's great, Boo. Could you help us understand what the problem is with genetically modified organisms? How depressing. Thank you for sharing that with us, Boo. Expert Kayla Jacobson, could you tell us where genetic modification is most prevalent?
In 2003, 53% of transgenic crops were grown here in the United States, 17% in Argentina, 11% in Brazil, 6% in Canada, 4% in India, 3% in China, 2% in Paraguay, and 1% in South Africa.
This is a problem for our country. As we heard from our friend Boo earlier, transgenics cause problems. Kayla, could you tell me how they directly affect human beings?
Some people have unknown allergies to transgenics. In fact, some ingredients are known to be toxic. Also, in some countries, like our own, it's not required that genetically modified food is labeled.
How does the public view genetically modified organisms?
Currently, informational resources express their excitement for foods that can fight off diseases like malaria. However, the public is scared and confused because experts are unsure of all the problems transgenics can actually cause.
My pal Ben is now here with us to discuss genetically modified organisms with us. Ben, could you tell us who is involved in the issue? Why do you think is it important for people to be educated on transgenics? So what are your solutions for the issue?
Percent were in India, 3% were in China, and 2% were I don't know that
Paraguay.
word. Okay.
How does the public view genetic? Why do you think it is important for people to know about transgenics? That was the wrong one.
Agriculture, scientific research, the creation of proteins to blah 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 blah. Never mind. I'll stop it now.
Ben? 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 Hey, what are you doing? Where are you going?